Your sleep type might predict how long you live, but not in the way you think. For years the internet told owls to become larks and larks to win by discipline alone. That story is incomplete. The real keys are regular sleep timing, bright days, and dark nights. In the next few minutes, take a 60-second Chronotype quiz and follow a 7-day alignment plan. You do not need more hours in bed to feel better. You need a clock that runs on time. Let's start with your chronotype. When left alone for a week, do you fall asleep around 9 to 10:30, 10:30 to midnight, midnight to 2, or after 2? In the first 2 hours after waking, do you feel sharp, okay, foggy, or non-functional? Your best workout feels like early morning, late afternoon, or evening and night. Mostly first answers means lark. Mostly last answers means owl. Middle answers mean you lean one way. There is no best type. Only aligned or misaligned. Here is a truth that does not go viral. Larks do not automatically outlive owls. In big studies, the small extra risk seen in some evening types is explained mostly by behavior. Late stimulants, erratic schedule, bright screens at night, chaotic weekends, and shift work. Control these, and the gap narrows. What remains is biology. Regular timing and a clear light signal protect health. Think of your brain like a conductor. The conductor cues the entire orchestra: hormones, temperature, digestion, and repair. When timing is strong, the music is tight, and you feel good. When timing is weak, rhythm falls apart. You feel wired and tired. Cravings rise late. You wake at the wrong time and crash at the wrong time. You lose afternoon power and sleep feels too light. This is not a willpower problem. It is a timing problem. 2 levers move your clock the most. Lever 1 is sleep regularity. Lever 2 is light exposure. Sleep regularity means your bedtime and wake time land in the same window every day, within 60 minutes. Light exposure means bright light in the morning and a dark, calm cave at night. When you improve only these 2 levers, your energy rises, you fall asleep faster, and you wake more refreshed. Your clock gets clearer, and life gets easier. Start with your anchor, a fixed wake time you can live with on weekdays and weekends. Keep it within 60 minutes. Get outside within 2 hours of waking for 30 to 60 minutes of natural light. Clouds are fine, outdoors still beats indoors by far. During the day, bring light to your eyes and move every hour. In the evening, dim lights for 2 to 3 hours before bed. Use warm, soft lamps instead of bright overheads. Enable night mode on your phone and keep screens out of bed. Make your bedroom cool and close to pitch black. Cover status LEDs and close gaps of light. Use blackout shades or a comfortable eye mask. This is the bright day, dark night blueprint. It is simple. It works. And it will probably help more than any supplement. Here are 5 fixes that help both owls and larks. Protect a fixed wake time. That sets the dominoes for everything else. Add a 10-minute outdoor walk in the morning. Movement plus daylight amplifies your signal. Choose a caffeine cutoff at least 6 hours before bedtime, and 8 to 12 hours if you're sensitive. Use meal anchors, breakfast and lunch on schedule, and finish dinner 3 to 4 hours before bed. Choose a 60 to 90-minute bedtime window and hold it steady. Consistency beats occasional perfection. If you are a night owl, here is your gentle plan. Do not try to become a morning person in a week. Advance your clock by 15 to 30 minutes every 2 to 3 days. Wake slightly earlier and go outside immediately. Front-load your calories toward breakfast and lunch. Make dinner smaller and earlier, and avoid intense workouts late at night. Cut caffeine 8 to 10 hours before your target bedtime. Dim lights 2 to 3 hours before bed. Move pre-sleep routines earlier, shower, skincare, journaling, to signal wind down. If you are a morning lark, here is your protective plan. Your superpower is an early window. Guard it. Avoid very early dinners that leave you hungry at midnight. If you wake hungry, use a small protein-rich snack 2 hours before bed. If you wake before dawn, keep lights low until closer to your target wake time, then get bright outdoor light. Morning workouts are fine, but avoid hard training right before bedtime. On weekends, avoid pushing your bedtime more than 90 minutes later. Protect your rhythm and you protect your edge. Food and movement timing matter. Many people benefit from eating most of their calories earlier in the day. This is early time restricted feeding. For some, it improves blood sugar and blood pressure even without changing body weight. Shift more intake toward breakfast and lunch, then keep dinner lighter and earlier. If afternoons are your low energy window, take a 10-minute walk after lunch. It improves glucose and steadies mood. For exercise timing, pick the time you will repeat. Afternoons often help blood sugar, mornings help habit adherence for many people. Consistency wins. Let us bust a few myths. Owls are not doomed. Larks are not automatically protected. Blue light glasses are tools, not magic. The strongest two levers are morning light and evening dimming. Caffeine late in the day does disrupt sleep for many people. Even 6 hours before bedtime can be too close. The simplest wins are bright days and dark nights. Own those, then stack other habits. To shift workers, new parents, and caregivers, your job is not perfection. It is damage control. On your way home after a night shift, block bright light with dark glasses. Make your bedroom a cave. Cool. Dark. Quiet. Anchor a consistent sleep block even on off days. Do not swing your schedule wildly on weekends. Use short naps under 30 minutes to take the edge off. Time your meals to your subjective day and avoid heavy calories during your circadian night. Front-load caffeine to the first half of the shift. Dim light in the last 2 hours before sleep. Protect your rhythm where you can, and be kind to yourself. Now a 7-day alignment challenge. Day 1, choose a wake time and commit to it for a week. Set night mode on your screens and place your eye mask near your bed. Day 2, get 30 to 60 minutes of outdoor light within 2 hours of waking. Day 3, set a caffeine cutoff alarm and honor it. Day 4, move dinner 30 to 60 minutes earlier. Day 5, take a 10-minute walk after lunch or dinner. Day 6, make your bedroom cooler and darker. Cover LEDs and close light gaps. Day 7, review your wins and your struggles. Post one lesson in the comments, and check back next week. Here is a simple scorecard to keep you engaged. Start at 50 points. Add 7 points for holding a fixed wake time. Add 5 for morning outdoor light. Add 5 for dimming lights 2 hours before bed. Add 3 for moving dinner earlier. Add 3 for the post-meal walk. Add 2 for keeping your weekend within 90 minutes of your weekday schedule. Miss 1 and subtract the same number. Aim for 70 points or higher by week's end. Share your score and cheer someone else on. Now for the human part. Maybe you tried to fix sleep before and it felt like it did not work. Maybe life got busy and you felt like you failed. Please let that go. Rhythm is not perfection. Rhythm is music. Some days are loud. Some days are quiet. Your job is to keep the beat more often than you lose it. One sunrise at a time. One earlier dinner at a time. One dim lamp at a time. One steady wake time at a time. Tiny deposits grow into real health. If you want a simple starter kit, use chamomile tea as your wind-down cue. Consider magnesium glycinate if relaxation is a struggle. Use blue blocking glasses if you must use screens at night. Keep your phone out of bed. Build a pre-sleep ritual that feels like closing a book. Breathe slowly for 1 minute. Write one line of gratitude. Set tomorrow's wake time and place your alarm across the room. Turn down the lights. Let your body know it is safe to rest. Remember the core idea. You do not have to become a morning person. You have to become a regular person. Bright days. Dark nights. Small anchors you can keep. Wake times, light habits, meal timing, and movement timing. If you do only these consistently, your energy improves, your mood lifts, your cravings settle, your workouts feel better, and your long-term risk goes down. If this helped you, share your chronotype in the comments. Type owl or lark and add your chosen wake time for the next 7 days. Save this video and repeat the challenge next month. If you want everything in one place, morning and evening routines, nutrition, hydration, recovery, and simple checklists, grab our book in the description. It is designed to be easy to follow and easy to finish. One chapter at a time. 1 week at a time. One habit at a time. You do not have to do everything all at once. You only have to start. Thank you for watching Longevity Compass. Bright days. Dark nights. Regular rhythm. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.